How to remove a payment card on Simon's app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Simon's is already installed on a device. Once you have it on a device, open it. Enter a login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, tons of different options will be visible to you. Well, you should also see the option of payment method. Once you find that option, head over to it. Inside payment method, you should see all the list of the cards that you have added on Simon's app. If you want to remove, all you want to do is click on it. You'll get the detailed information of the card, and if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll see the option where it says remove. Click on it, and then you have to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your payment card will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Simon's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.